Hey, what is up, guys? V back again. Hey, so picked up the Galaxy Note 10. Yeah, I did an unboxing video also on it. I know there's been 1,000 of them already, but there it is. The Aura, I got the Aura Black. So this is the Note 9. It's in my Otterbox case. So today we're going to take a look at the Otterbox Defender case for the Note 10. And I'm just comparative thicknesses and everything. So I guess I was actually looking around in the store the other day. There's Defender Pro now, and they just keep going up and up. I just can't keep up. So anyway, let's take a look at this one here. Standard case here. We got some rubber around the plastic. I'm gonna just install it here real quick here for you. I won't go too much into detail because you guys know how this goes. And they pretty much don't change. I mean, except for the button cutouts and speaker cutouts and everything. There it is. And then you pop in here, right there. Let's see if I can get it. Right there, you just kind of pry underneath and go all the way around just like that. There's some more notches here. Open that up. There's one there. There you have it. Camera cutout. Just make sure it matches up with the camera on the phone. There. Flip it around. It's all matching. You just snap this into place around the case. I just love Otterbox. I've always protected my phones with Otterbox. I mean, I know it makes it thicker, but hey, it's better than paying that deductible and getting your phone fixed. And there you go. You just go around. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's simple. Let's see. There we go. All set. Got your cutouts here. Charging. Of course, no headphone jack, so you don't need that. Speakers and mic. Speakers, mics. Volume rocker. See that right there. And there. The Bixby, well, the power button, Bixby button. Volume rocker. That's about it. As far as the looks, I mean, it's pretty much the same. Actually, the Note 9 is a little thicker. Look at that. This is the Note 10. Let's see here. So what I did was I was trying to think of a test I could come up with to show the elevation it has on his lips here. For drop protection, you know, in case it lands face down, you know, you got a little bit of room in between the screen and the ground or wherever you drop it. So what I did is I came up with a test. I'm gonna go ahead and slide. I'm gonna take this ruler. It's not too thick, but I mean, it's got a little cork board at the bottom, so it makes it a little bit thicker. I'm gonna slide it under here and see if I can get it all the way under. Pretty sure I can, because they have pretty good protection on these. So there we are. I'm actually raising the ruler up a little bit, so it's a bit off the ground. So you got pretty good protection as far as that goes. Now, as far as rocks go, of course, I mean, you drop it on rocks, you're probably just gonna have to, you know, pay your deductible, get that screen fixed. So, there it is. Otterbox Defender case. Galaxy Note 10. Have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I will have a link to this case in the description below, as well as the link to the Galaxy Note 9 case for a Defender. Haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. This is V, out.